into a lot of schools and colleges, and we have decided to do a lot of teacher trainings in terms of making them aware of the fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Next year onwards, we would have this session basically for educators and other people from organizations who can take that teaching further to their students, to their people in their companies and so on. And we're going to kind of flag this off with our two leadership gurus, Abha Maryada Banerjee and Swami Shubha Vilas Das. So big hand to them. Right? And then besides that, we want all your support in basically helping us to articulate and give us some ideas about how do we now kind of take Karma Yuga as a mission and create those collaborative awards programs so that the community of do-gooders and champions of change grows larger and larger. Meenu is leading that mission now. So she's going to tell you more about that. And the way we are planning to do that is that we're getting some support from the EPJ Trust, which is going to basically take care of the salaries of people in Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, and maybe Bangalore, 4 cities, led by Meenu, who would work with a group of evangelists who would help us to kind of reach out to those people, right? And we plan to kind of build in a small evangelist group in different cities, which would include some of our Karmavir fellows and Rex Karmavir fellows, Chakra awardees and the Puraskar awardees. And a lot of people have pledged to do that. We already got one mail in the morning from Anandana Kapoor that she can't make it because her back is bad, but she's decided to introduce us to the VC of the Delhi University so that we can get into all the colleges. So how can you help out in that? And how can you help to kind of bring in more evangelists on board? So Meenu will tell you more about Karma Yuga after that. And then we have Mr. Rotarian Sayantan Sinha, who is going to tell you about how we can form those ICANN chapters in different cities. So yesterday I was speaking to Danji, today morning we were speaking to Abha, and they have decided to kind of come on board as founder members for Bombay. Delhi, of course, Sayantan and all are here. And then the whole idea is to kind of create Rotary or roundtable like chapters in different cities. So wherever you go, you have a support group which is there to help you out, right? So that, and all of us need to do it because our bandwidth is that much more stressed. So all of you have to lead this into the next level now, right? But the whole idea is to make this grow because we want to be that voice which stands for the right and takes a stand without compromising or without any censorship. You've seen the talks. Tumula did start in the morning by telling me that I've become diplomatic. I'm a little confused because Tumula tells me I've become diplomatic. Meenu tells me that most places where she goes, people tell her I'm very hard. So, right? But I don't think I've become diplomatic. But as a moderator of Rex, I have to strike a balance, right? Because it was like moderating a session for
sound mic. Okay.
That I won't let anyone be undignified with you, but at the same time, I won't let you also not answer any of the questions. You have to answer them, right? Okay. So it's a two-way process. So yesterday, like I was explaining to you about genders and things, everybody has their opinions, but it's also about respecting each other's opinion. And even if I have a tough stand on something, I respect other people who follow Arvind Kejriwal. I have no problem with that. You follow him. I don't. Don't try to make me change my opinion. I respect your opinion and you're free to follow him because we're in a democracy. We're in a free world, right? So, but as far as my opinion is concerned, and that's what I put yesterday on Facebook, that after 15 years, I feel vindicated. Because a lot of people told me I'm wrong about Sahara, I'm wrong about Reliance, I'm wrong about IMPM, I'm wrong about Shah Rukh Khan, I'm wrong about Sachin Tendulkar. It's all coming to the fore now. You can't escape the truth. I'm wrong about Amir Khan. Time tells you everything, right? So that's what it is. So there's no diplomacy at all in my defense, let me say that. Right? I don't think that bone is there in my body. Right? Agree, sir? Yeah? Okay. So I'll hand over now to who's starting? I'll let both of you decide. Yeah.